Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if those twinkling lights could be more than just stars? Imagine if they were castles, palaces of pure starlight drifting through a world of golden sunshine. Here, everything glows with gentle warmth and the air hums with happiness. Magic is real, and the palaces are built from wishes and wonder. People look up and see a sky filled with glowing homes, not emptiness. Flowers become jewels, puddles turn to gold, and the world is bathed in a gentle, constant glow. Every day is an adventure under a sky of starry castles, and every heart is lifted by the beauty overhead. Who builds these palaces of light? Not ordinary builders, but the starlight architects. Gentle, wise beings made of moonlight, with eyes that twinkle like stars. Their tools are music and laughter, not hammers or saws. They gather starlight in shimmering nets, catching it as it falls from ancient stars. As they work, they sing, lullabies that shape the starlight. A high note forms a slender tower. A soft hum creates a welcoming courtyard. The starlight dances to their music, weaving itself into spirals, arches, and glowing walls. Their laughter adds sparkles like diamonds scattered across the palace. Each palace is unique, shaped by the architect's special song. Some sing of oceans, and their palaces ripple like gentle waves. Others sing of forests, and their towers glow like tall, luminous trees. Colors vary: silvery white, rosy pink, or shimmering rainbows. The architects don't keep the palaces, they build them as gifts for the world. When a palace is finished, they let it float away on golden air currents, ready for someone to find. Their joy comes from creating beauty and sharing it. They watch their creations drift off, smiling, then gather more starlight for the next song. The process is a joyful dance, a celebration of creativity. No two palaces are ever the same, just as no two dreams are alike. The architects believe beauty is meant to be shared. Their work fills the sky with hope and wonder. Each palace is a promise of new adventures. The architects' songs echo in every glowing wall. They are the unseen artists of the sky. Their legacy is a world filled with light and joy. Every palace is a story, waiting for someone to live inside. And so the architects continue, weaving dreams from starlight. The sky is their canvas, and every night brings a new masterpiece. The walls of a star palace aren't stone. They're woven from shimmering light. You can almost see through them. They pulse with gentle energy and warmth. Touching them feels like a sun-warmed cloud. The walls are welcoming, making you feel safe and loved. Light inside the palace shifts with the day, bright and golden in the morning, soft and dreamy by afternoon, deep and magical at night. At night, the walls sparkle with 1,000 tiny stars like your own private galaxy. Lamps and candles aren't needed. The palace glows from within. The colors of the walls change with the mood of those inside. Sunny yellow for happiness, gentle blue for calm, rainbows for celebration. The palace is alive, sharing in the feelings of its family. It's more than a house. It's a friend that understands without words. Sounds are softened. Harsh noises fade while laughter and music echo gently. A whispered secret lingers in the air like a sparkling cloud. Music shines and the palace hums along with every melody. Every sense is treated to beauty, sight, sound and touch. The palace creates a world of peace and harmony. It's a place where you can truly relax and dream. The walls remember every joyful moment. They glow brighter with every smile and song. Living here feels like being wrapped in a gentle embrace. The palace is a sanctuary of light. It's a home that grows with you, reflecting your heart. Every day it welcomes you with warmth and wonder. Here, you're always surrounded by beauty, and every night the walls whisper you to sleep with light. Every star palace has a garden, but not of soil and dirt. These gardens are made of glowing stardust. The ground is a shimmering carpet, soft as sand, leaving trails of light with every step. The air is sweet, scented with night-blooming flowers and distant nebula. Plants bloom with petals of pure energy, some like tiny supernovas, others dripping with liquid moonlight. Leaves sway like green auroras, and trees have trunks of woven starlight. Branches hang with fruits that glow like tiny planets, tasting of sweet sunshine. The gardens are never dark. Stardust glows gently, lighting every path. Light sprites, tiny motes of light, dance through the air, landing on your shoulder to whisper happy secrets. The garden pulses with quiet, living energy, a perfect place for dreaming. Children build castles from stardust and chase sprites among glowing trees. Adults rest on benches of moonlight, sharing fruit and quiet conversation. The garden is the heart of the palace, a place of peace and wonder. Here, imagination runs free and worries fade away. The beauty of the cosmos is woven into every flower and leaf. The garden invites you to explore, play and dream. It's a sanctuary for all who enter. Every visit brings new discoveries. The garden glows with the joy of those who walk its paths. It's a place where memories are made. The garden is a living celebration of light, and it reminds you that magic grows wherever you let it. Star palaces are home to wondrous creatures, the creatures of the constellations. Star puffs float through the halls, soft and glowing, purring like tiny bells when petted. Comet-tail cats, sleek and silvery, leap and play, their tails shimmering like real comets. They chase motes of light and curl up at your feet, their glow keeping bad dreams away. Solar eagles soar above, wings of golden fire, their calls like sunlight music. Seeing a solar eagle is a sign of good luck. These creatures aren't pets, they're friends and fellow residents. Children learn gentleness and respect from them. The creatures make the palaces feel alive and magical. They remind everyone that wonder comes in all shapes and sizes. Waking in a star palace, you're greeted by gentle light. No alarm clocks needed. The air is fresh, scented with stardust gardens, and you feel rested and ready for the day. Breakfast might be glowing fruit or starflakes in moon milk, eaten while watching the world of golden light outside. Star puffs float by, purring their greetings. Children learn from the palace itself. Walls show cosmic maps, gardens teach about nature. Adults create art and music, filling the palace with beauty. There's no rush, only time to learn, create and enjoy. Evenings are for stories and laughter, walls glittering like diamonds. Families gather in the garden to watch light sprites dance. As night falls, the palace glows softly, perfect for peaceful sleep. You drift off, feeling safe and loved in your castle of stars. Every day is a gentle celebration of light and life. Once a year, the Festival of Falling Stars fills the sky with wonder. Starlight architects send new stars drifting down like glowing snowflakes. Palaces gather, forming a shining city in the sky. Everyone decorates with garlands of light and prepares sparkling foods. Comet-tail cats chase the first falling stars. Solar eagles circle above. The air hums with music and laughter. At the festival's peak, everyone catches a falling star, warm, pulsing with hope. Some keep their star, others plant it in the garden to bloom as a new flower of light. The festival is about connection to family, friends, and the universe. It's a reminder that all are made of the same starlight. The night ends with a chorus of song echoing across the sky. Palaces shine brighter than ever, celebrating life and magic. It's a night when the whole world glows with joy. Star palaces are ancient, holding joyful echoes of the past within their glowing walls. Sometimes you hear laughter from long ago or see shimmering visions of old celebrations. These echoes aren't ghosts, they're happy memories, comforting and sweet. They remind you that you're part of a long chain of joy. Creatures sense these echoes too. A comet-tail cat might pause, feeling a memory. The palace stores every smile, every story in its light. Living here makes you cherish the present, knowing your own happiness will echo for future families. Your laughter, your stories become part of the palace's living memory. The walls are a library of happiness woven from light and time. Every moment adds to the story. You're not just living in a house, you're part of a beautiful, ongoing tale. The palace is a keeper of joy, shining with the love of generations. In this world of golden light, dreams are everything. The palaces themselves are dreams made real, showing that imagination can build a home. Here, anything feels possible. Hope is the very air you breathe. The palaces are symbols of kindness and creativity shared freely by the starlight architects. There's no fighting, only beauty to be shared. The true magic is the feeling of wonder and belonging. Every day, the palaces remind you that the universe is full of beauty and mystery. Let your imagination wander. Picture yourself in a castle of stars, surrounded by gentle light and friendly creatures. This world may be a dream, but it's a dream worth having. It's a story of hope, beauty, and the power of light. Even in our own world, we can build with love and share our light. We can all be architects of a kinder, more beautiful world. The star palaces are a reminder to dream big and live with wonder. Every heart can shine, every life can be a story of light, and together we can fill the sky with castles of hope.